Yo, what's going on, people? I'm here today with my cousin brother, and we've got this amazing Audi TT here, one of a kind, custom made. Stay tuned. So yeah, people, we're in this one of a kind, there goes clear, Audi TT. Is it S?
No,
it's Audi TT. Audi TT
TFSI.
Yeah,
211 bhp, standard.
Okay, still got good pull for 211 bhp.
Yeah, got an induction kit on it.
Yeah. So we've been doing this project for a little while now. We've had the front end customized. We've put aftermarket bumpers. We couldn't even get them in the UK. Where did they come from? Germany, yeah. So this was a bit of a long ongoing project with what's going on as well. It took a little while for us to get the parts, but once the parts were here, we didn't take long to get it all together. So yeah, we're just going for a nice little drive, see what it's like. And to be honest with you, it's the first time I've sat in the car. I'm not gonna lie, it's the first time I've sat in this car, and it feels pretty smooth. But with it being so low, I thought personally that it's gonna be a bit more of a harsh ride. Okay, just had a little pit stop. Is that why you're stuck?
Yeah,
I've got it. So yeah, it's been raining today, so we're not going to get much traction with it being front wheel drive. The car's on S3 alloys. Yeah, it come with TT alloys, but they wasn't as dark, so we went for the grey S3 alloys, because when we put the front bumper on, we thought we might as well change the wheels as well, because the bumper's really low, and it's literally,
yeah, I had to put these wheels on so it lifts the car up a little bit.
Yeah,
they were on 17s. I put 19s on it.
Are these 19s? Yeah. So these are 19-inch alloys. So as he said, it lifts the car up slightly as well, so it's a bit better over these bumps. But yeah, load cars for you, especially this one with the aftermarket bumper. It's got like an extra lip underneath. What, you can hear like a dump valve thing. What else have you done to this?
Just an induction kit.
Oh, induction. Oh, is that the one that we bought? That one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sounds good that. You can actually hear it. This is an induction. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it's not got a dump valve. It's literally the induction. Listen, have you got our belts on?
Oh no.
We need to put our belts on. We've just set off. We've just set off, so we forgot. Just pulled off now. Yeah, there we go. Better to be safe. So yeah, second gear pull. It's quite torquey, to be fair. Yeah, that's fast. That. We're also planning on doing a remap on this.
Stage 2.
Stage 2 we're going for?
Stage 2, yeah, 330 bhp.
Yeah, so we're going for stage 2, 330 bhp. That's a lot of power for a front wheel drive. As you know myself, I'm a 4-wheel drive guy. Every car I've had, every sports car I've had has been a 4-wheel drive. My cousin here himself, he will drive anything. If it's front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, he will drive it, make something out of it. But we thought we'll start with this, as this is a project that we've been doing for a little while, and I think it deserves some sort of appreciation. As you know yourself, projects do take a little while, especially to do it in this sort of conditions where parts were harder to get because of the delivery service being really slow and stuff like that. But yeah, we pulled through on it and it actually looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, as you can see from the previous videos, it does look really good. When we get the power up, it'll have enough power as well, because at the moment it looks like a beast, then it'll be moving like a beast. And yeah, stay tuned and watch us keep this growing, keep the power increasing. We need to keep increasing the power. So from the inside, what do you think? I think it drives nice.
Yeah, I think it's spot on.
Even with it being the flat bottom steering wheel, I didn't know it'd come with that. I thought it'd be just the RS's, but whoa,
It was 17 second gear.
that gets soft. Obviously we're on the motorway now, so we're doing 70 miles per hour. As you know, you can go as fast as you can.
Every road is the motorway.
Yeah, there you go. So yeah, we're doing good. So I think we should swap seats now.
Yeah, you can do.
How about that? I'll get a little feel for it. So guys, we're gonna swap seats now. I'm in the driver's seat.
Well, safety.
And with it being the Audi TT, you do feel like you're low down, don't you?
Yeah.
Like you've just jumped in that passenger side and you think you're on the ground. Because it's a bit better this side because you've got the steering. Because you haven't got the steering, it feels a lot lower.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So gears are really smooth. Feels like it's got a short shifter in it. Clutch bite's nice. The steering actually feels really good with it being the flat bottom. Your hand fits nice and firm. But yeah, I didn't expect it to be this low because I've sat in Audi S3s, RS3s, and they're quite high compared to this, because I thought it'd be on the same sort of league Audi, but with it being a TT and the way he's modified it. Oh, it's on springs as well, we forgot to tell it. It's on coilovers.
Yeah.
Check this out. So we've done this project, yeah, and we was gonna order springs and shockers for it, but we've just realized, we just found this out literally 2 days ago, because we got the car back from Bodywork about 2 days ago, and we thought we'll have a look at the suspension, see if it needs changing, if you can get away with springs or coilovers. And when we took the wheels off, it actually had coilovers on it, so that was a bonus. So that's probably why it's a bit lower than standard. But yeah, it feels really smooth. Whoa. When that traction kicks in, it just feels like it's gonna take off. Was that with traction on? It was spinning a little bit as well.
I don't know, was it on? Yeah, that was on.
That was on, yeah. So when the traction's on, it still wants to spin, like it spun, and then the traction kicked in. So you still gotta be careful on these countryside roads, because it's still got a bit of, as you can feel, torque. It's got a lot of torque for a standard car. Imagine it when it's mapped. Ooh, I'm trying to go up this hill in first, and it's just not wanting to go up. What's wrong with this car? Front wheel drive madness. Yeah. So yeah guys, we're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, and
Keep the views coming.
keep the views coming. Share, like
And share
subscribe,
and subscribe, yes.
and we will see you on the next one.
Yeah, you'll see us again soon.
Hellcat.